Hey Pash Fam, today I'm going to be showing you how to insert our free PDF downloads into your planner. These PDFs are designed to customize and personalize your planner to support your goals in a way that works for you, and it's so easy to get started. We offer three main PDF categories: full planner PDFs, worksheets, and inserts. You can download our planners for free on the full planner PDFs page. Our complete daily, weekly, mid-year, and undated PDFs are available for download, as well as undated versions in French, Italian, and Spanish. We also have a planner layout sample section where you can try individual guided worksheets from our full planner PDF pages, like our Passion Roadmap or Core Values worksheet. Plus, you can find a handwriting test to see which planner size works best for you. Our free worksheets are great tools to use if you're looking for meaningful reflection prompts, check-ins, and more. These worksheets address different aspects of mental health and encourage you to take planning one step further. Our free inserts are the best tools to customize your planner and really make it your own. There are a lot of trackers to choose from, and these are great supplementary tools to be consistent and keep tabs on your wellness goals and tasks. To download a PDF, go to passionplanner.com and hover over the Free Downloads tab. Here you'll see all of our different options. Select the category you'd like and select your PDF. Most of our PDFs have small, medium, and large options to fit into your planner size. Then choose Sunday or Monday start if applicable, or the version of the PDF that you want. Enter your email address and click download. Then you can find the email with your free download. It might take a couple minutes to show up in your mailbox. From here, you can download your PDF onto your desktop or simply print it right from the email. Once you've printed your PDF, it's ready to be cut and used. There are a couple ways you can add these PDFs to your planner depending on the tools you have at home or how you'd like to use Insert. A Dutch door is a great option if you don't want to cover up anything in your planner but want to keep a tracker or worksheet within the same week. Using washi tape or scotch tape, place the PDF in the spine of your planner and tape it in place. You can also tape the other side for extra security. Double-sided tape or glue is another way to insert a PDF. Simply attach the tape onto the back side of the PDF and place it into your desired spot. This is a great method for placing your PDF into the Space of Infinite Possibility or to-do list section. I also love putting worksheets in the back pages of the planner using washi tape or scotch tape. You can use the tape around the edges of your PDF to securely attach it to the page. And if you're using our full planner PDFs, we love seeing people create their own planner by stapling, binding, or gluing their PDF pages to bind the planner together. And now you're ready to use our free PDFs. We release new templates every year, so let us know what you'd like to see from us next. Thanks so much for watching!